What is up, it's your boy Mentality in the building. Today I'm going to be showing you how to block ads on Spotify. If you do not have Spotify already installed, go to the link in the description and download it here. You go to the other link in the description titled BlockTheSpot and scroll down until you find this link here. What you want to do is click the link and download the script. Click save and run it. This will show up. Click more info, run anyway. It'll do everything itself though. You can just let it run. Click yes once this pops up. It'll then close and Spotify should pop up. You are not done yet though. What you want to do is scroll down until you find this download button, click it, click save, and then run it. It should say something of the sort like installation complete. You just want to close that and you should have Spotify without ads. You do have to log in again though, but as you can see, it's the normal Spotify here. You can see all your playlists, all your music, everything. Thank you guys for watching. I'll show you an example. Keep skipping and skipping and skipping. No issues here. No ads popping up, no nothing. Thank you for watching, hopefully you enjoyed, and this worked for you. If it did, give me a like and subscribe maybe. Who knows? Yeah, peace.